now you are watching my YouTube channel PNP Cooking TV. Today I am going to make something special, something very different, then something very interesting for you, because this is I try to make it myself. So I just try to make some cookies especially for the same like Christmas. So it's very Christmas is coming very fast soon. That's why I just try to make some little cookies for the Christmas. So let's start. I'm taking one bowl. Then I'll take 150 grams butter, unsalted butter. So I'm mixing this one. Then I'm taking 150 grams sugar. Then if you need, then I'll add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now I'm going to mix it. I'll not use the egg beater, so I'm using my hand. So I'm mixing like this. Now my dough almost ready. Now I'm going to add 2 eggs here. Then I'll mix it well. You can see now I'm going to. You can mix with your egg beater. Egg beater. I'm going to add 300 grams of flour. Then mix it very well. Now you can see my cookies dough almost ready. Now I'm going to one interesting thing here. I'll cut this one 2 pieces, 2 sides, and you can see here it's almost done. And I'll keep this separate, this one here. Then I'll mix it, this one here, again here, cocoa powder. You can use cocoa powder, but I'm going to add here chocolate powder because I like chocolate flavor. That's why I'm going to add chocolate flavor. So I'll mix it well. You can add, when you're mixing this one, you can add little milk. After that it's coming good. Then you can mix this one like this too. I have 2 colors. This one original color, this one after mixed cocoa powder. You can see this is very good. Okay. Now you can see my cookies is almost ready. So this I'm going to put in the preheat oven in the 180 degree. So I'll cook this one until now my oven already preheat. That's why I'm going to cook here only for 10 minutes later. You can see inside. Now you can see my cookies is almost ready. So you can see this is my same Christmas style, not too much Christmas style, but I just try to make some Christmas at home. So my cookies is ready. Now I can taste, I can eat, even you can eat. Thank you for watching. Keep watching. Don't forget to comment if you want to say something. Please comment down, and then I want to say something. Please don't forget to subscribe, press the red button. Thank you. Keep watching.